When I walk in the room, I raise up the temperature. I'm raising it way up. They talk about me when they see me, they stay shut. They keeping their face shut. I'm speaking it wrong, I'm keeping it uncut. We pull up and buck. Ain't nobody out here fucking with me. Fuck everybody that was step up on me. I make them sick to where they can't breathe. Face shot, knock out all his teeth. Slip my wrist and let it beat on the beat. No, I won't take a seat until my mission complete. I'd have been through so much shit in the streets. So, much I cannot speak on. Love me while I'm here, cause you'll miss me when I'm gone. Lord, wash away all my sins, cleanse my soul. I have voices in my mind I cannot control. I know so much I cannot speak on. Love me while I'm here, cause you'll miss me when I'm gone. Lord, wash away all my sins, cleanse my soul. I have voices in my mind I cannot control. Amen. Whenever times be too hard, I'll be praying. I take a look at the stars and I say this. I wonder if I ever make it to heaven. I appreciate my life and I'm thankful for all my blessings. I can't let nobody take that, that's why I carry a weapon. They say one day I'ma get it, I know that day coming soon. I know some make to admit it, that they be rocking with the goons. I know a lot that I can never say, I already know. So much I cannot speak on. Love me while I'm here, cause you'll miss me when I'm gone. Lord, wash away all my sins, cleanse my soul. I have voices in my mind I cannot control. I know so much I cannot speak on. Love me while I'm here, cause you'll miss me when I'm gone. Lord, wash away all my sins, cleanse my soul. I have voices in my mind I cannot control.
That's that time of the evening, boy. Motherfuckers in it. My bad, I didn't mean to take off. Yo, I caught that. All of that. One more.
Yo. Hit him up.
So he murdered
Hit him up, call up the plug, tell him load me up. Hit him up, I'ma swerve on your block if you talking tough. Get no fuck, 100 grand on my skin, bitch, you know what's up. Hit him up, call up all of the hoes, tell them to pull up. Make them fuck, when I hit the scene, I'm shining without diamonds. Be careful when you looking at me, cause I might blind you. If you take something from me, I'ma confine you. You playing with gasoline, boy, I say you on fire. Can't nobody tell me shit, all my niggas know I'm a rider. If I say something that's sick, when it's time to go, we gon' ride up on me. Come get your bitch, it ain't my fault, she on my dick, she keep on calling my line, I ain't trying to talk, so I click. Hey, I know I make them sick, cause I'm always lit like a wick. I got a bunch of dead homies and all of them presidents. Show up to your residence if your brother owe me some rent. If you here knocking at the door, it's the devil, don't niggas got me on 100, feel like bugging up. It made me wanna just say fuck it, go and light them up. I gotta keep my cool, cause niggas wanna see me fall, but that won't happen at all. Fuck it, fill it up. Hit him up, call up the plug, tell him load me up.